JMAI Photoshop Lite. One click, no watermark, no subscription. Then we have PlayMorph. Upload a portrait and turn the same person into different roles: doctor, pilot, chef, fantasy hero, and more. Just click through the theme packs to cycle variations and let AI reimagine your subject in new identities. So that's JMAI Photoshop Lite in action, a modular AI-powered playground built on Google AI Studio. If you want to see real results, not just promises, check the links in the description, watch the full demos, and test the app yourself. One click, no watermark, no subscription. I don't talk much. I just let the images speak for me.